My name is Sanjay Gupta. I'm a cardiologist in York. Today's video is entitled Robotic Mitral Valve Repair, a Gentle Revolution in Heart Surgery. So today I want to talk to you about something remarkable, a quiet revolution that's been unfolding in operating theatres in America and across the world, even in the UK. It is called robotic mitral valve repair. But I guess let's start at the beginning. The mitral valve is one of the four valves in your heart. It sits between the left atrium and the left ventricle. And its job is to make sure that blood flows in one direction, smoothly and without leaking every time your heart beats. Sometimes this valve starts to fail. It may leak, what we call mitral regurgitation or narrow mitral stenosis. And when that happens, the heart has to work harder. Patients may start feeling breathless, tired, or develop ankle swelling. Left untreated, mitral valve disease can lead to heart failure and rhythm problems. So for many years, fixing the mitral valve meant open heart surgery. This involved cutting through the breastbone, just here, a big cut down here, placing the patient on a heart-lung machine, and weeks of recovery. It saved lives, but it was tough. And it could take patients up to 3 months just to recover from the incision and the wound. But now, robotic mitral valve repair offers a far gentler alternative. What is robotic mitral valve repair? Despite how it sounds, a robot doesn't actually operate on you. Rather, a highly skilled heart surgeon performs the operation using robotic arms, miniaturized instruments that are inserted through tiny incisions, often less than a centimeter wide. The surgeon will sit at a console and control every movement with breathtaking precision. The instruments mimic the dexterity of the human hand, but with more stability, more accuracy, and more reach than the human hand could ever achieve. What are the advantages? Well, the first thing is there's no stenotomy. The breastbone is left untouched, so you don't have to have a big cut down there. Small incisions mean less pain, less bleeding, and a lower risk of infection. Patients are often able to go home sooner, and many are back to normal activities within a few weeks rather than a few months. And importantly, the repair rates are very high, especially in degenerative mitral regurgitation, where keeping your own valve is far better than replacing it. Is robotic surgery safe? Yes, in experienced centers, robotic mitral valve repair is not just safe, it is as effective or better than traditional open surgery in terms of long-term outcomes. But there are caveats. It is not suitable for every patient. If the valve is too damaged or if there are other heart conditions involved, such as blocked arteries, then open surgery may still be the better option. And not every center offers this service yet. Robotic surgery requires a highly specialized team and a steep learning curve. Why might a patient consider robotic surgery? Well, if you've been told you need mitral valve surgery and you're relatively young, active, or worried about the recovery from open heart surgery, then robotic repair is worth discussing. In the right hands, it's elegant, effective, and compassionate. At the end of the day, this isn't about robots or technology. It's about making surgery kinder. It's about allowing patients to return home sooner, suffer less, and heal better, physically and emotionally. That is what modern medicine should strive for. So if you or a loved one are facing mitral valve surgery, do speak to your cardiologist or surgeon about your options. Ask about robotic repair, because sometimes small incisions can open the door to a much better life.